In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily pay for your Shopify plan using a debit card. This can be a convenient option, especially if you prefer not to use a credit card, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get set up without a hitch. First, let's talk about what your debit card needs in order to work with Shopify. It's essential that your debit card is co-branded with one of the major networks, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Shopify only accepts debit cards that feature one of these logos, so make sure your card has one of those on it to avoid any issues. Now let's dive into how you can actually use your debit card to pay for your Shopify plan. Start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, go to the settings area where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your billing information. Depending on the version or updates within Shopify, you might need to navigate to Plan and Permissions, Account Billing, or simply Billing. The screens can vary slightly, but the main goal is to find your way to your subscription or plan charges. In this billing section, look for something along the lines of Payment Methods or Manage Payment Methods. This is where you'll have the option to select your preferred payment method for your Shopify subscription. You'll want to add a new payment method or update an existing one, ensuring you select credit, debit card as the type. Next, you'll need to carefully enter your debit card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and, of course, the name that's on the card, along with the billing address associated with it. Make sure all this information is entered accurately to avoid any complications later on. Once you've entered all your debit card details, hit Save or Confirm. If your card aligns with Shopify's outlined requirements, the platform will be all set to use it for your recurring plan charges. Sometimes, depending on your bank's security protocols, you might be prompted to verify your card. This could involve receiving a code via text or email from your bank. If this happens, just follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Finally, double-check that your debit card is showing up as a valid and active payment method in your Shopify settings. You should see it listed there, confirming everything is good to go. Additionally, Shopify might take the first payment soon after setup, so keep an eye on your bank account for that initial charge. And that's it. You're all set to manage your Shopify payments easily using your debit card. If you followed these steps, you should have no problem streamlining your Shopify billing with your preferred payment method.